Finding the courage to change. Safe to be myself. It's been a long time coming, but I'm starting to believe that it is safe to be myself. Today, I share my mistakes and personal qualities that I would have once kept hidden. I have to fight that urge to keep secrets, but I've discovered that sharing is the key to safety. Just last week, someone I know gave a speech to a large group. In his speech, he detailed his failures, but focused on being his best self. To his surprise, he got a standing ovation. I was a little shocked when he told me about his speech. One part of me thought, I would have never told them my failures. Why would you do that? A wiser part of me answered the question. Because people crave authenticity. I want to be like that, really authentic. Authenticity is a new quality for me. I have to fight my instincts to protect parts of myself that have been attacked in the past. But those parts of me that I want to hide are valuable. Those stories contain the essence of my growth and learning. Without mistakes and failures, I would not have grown and learned new things. I have nothing to be ashamed of. I'm a normal human being doing what we all do, growing, learning, and expanding. When I share my mistakes or unlikable qualities, I'm able to connect with others who have had similar experiences. We're not failures, my friends. We're A-plus learners. It's safe to be myself. I can say it and I believe it. We are all longing for more authenticity.